Well, hello. I was just talking to myself, but now I'm going to talk to y'all. It's another day in my kitchen, and on the spice rack is dead chickens and murdered marriages. But you know what? I'm probably going to find a new name soon because I'm not sure what. But anyhow, so I got these leeks here, and they're not in the greatest of shape. I really wanted to scratch my nose with my hand, but I'm just trying to be like clean. So today also I wanted to show you. Check this out. Green giant. If that doesn't take me back to my childhood, I don't know what does. Except for possibly this happy apple. Right here. Check this out. How long has it been since y'all have seen one of these guys? Fisher Price Happy Apple. It says so right here. Fisher Price Happy Apple. And this little precious used to have a whole entire stem that would come up and over, but my brother, I have to get a tissue because mine, I'll just use a paper towel. So my brother Paul, and yes, I'm going to wash my hands. Sorry. So rude. Anyway, my sister Lisa bought that for me when I was just born, and then my brother Paul, he was a little bit of a biter, so he indeed did bite off the stem. And for the longest of time, I thought this was how they just, were made. But apparently, because I saw one of my friends, and it was like, I believe it had like a little curly. Well, I love it. Anyway, this is probably going to be a super boring one because I don't really have anything. I feel like I'm just talking until oh, that does not look good. So this is a leek, and I'm going to cut them up, and I'm not going to use them tonight. I have not eaten. It's 6:33, May 11th. I still haven't eaten. Tim, I haven't eaten any food yet. That's my boss. He said I should eat food, and he is not wrong. This is super dirty. Gross. We're going to try a different one that's maybe less dirty. I don't know, but leeks are beautiful, and they're delicious to make potato leek soup with. So we need a bag. So good. And also, my onions have sprouted, which means I gotta cut them up as well. It's not the compost, but we're gonna pretend it is because I don't have a compost bin yet, but I really want to get one of those compost things that turn your stuff into dirt. It's raining. I can hear it. My sky window. This is actually more exciting what I'm doing down here than what you're looking at currently. So I got served papers on Friday, which was great. And then I slept almost all day Saturday. Coincidence? I don't know. Maybe. Probably. And then Sunday, I could hardly get up. But that's okay. Because now here we are today. And obviously, I'm up. And I'm awake. Ooh. That hurt anybody else's teeth or just mine? is so beautiful. Well, so if you want to make leeks, not make them, well, you could grow them, but if you want to save them, all you do is you just got to chop them up, put them in a bag, and put them in your freezer. And I think that's enough for tonight because it's already 5 minutes. And it's pretty boring. But you know what? Not everything needs to be super high key. Some things can be low key. I'm going to make some spaghetti. I'm going to eat it with my cat. And I'm looking at my cat on the couch, and she's so beautiful. I showed y'all her. Hello, pretty catty. She's pretending I don't exist, but she knows I do because I feed her. She's beautiful. Oh, she just moved. I'm talking about you, how pretty you are.